Good morning, my dears. So I am here with your maths class. Okay, before starting the class, can I ask one thing? Did all do the works that I given in the last class? Can I? Did all done? Is it? Very good. Okay, so what all the things we studied in the last class? You remember what all the things we studied? Yes? Yes, one-to-one match. Then numbers 1 to 10. Then very good. Then yes, how to write numbers. Very good. That means numbers which has lines and curves. That also we studied in the last class. Then last what we studied? Numbers which has name. Number names. Very good. Which are the number names we studied? Numbers names we studied 1 to 10. That means ONE 1, TWO 2, THREE 3. Like that we studied till 10. No, you remember? So you all done that work? No. Yes, so you all done that work? Yes, very good. Yes. So shall we start a new lesson today? Shall we go with a new lesson today? So today we are going to start a new lesson. The lesson that means block 2. The name of the lesson is numbers 11 to 20. Numbers 11 to 20. So you studied numbers? No? Yes. So which are the numbers we already studied? We already studied numbers? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These numbers we already studied. Okay. Yes. So today we are going to study numbers from 11 to 20. Okay. In that numbers from 11 to 20, before that we are going to study counting things. Counting things. What is counting? What is counting, you know? Counting. Okay. So I took my, let me take this. I am going to take, what is this? What is this? Yes, bowls. Yes. So counting things. Okay. So what is this? Bowls. You need to know how many bowls with me. How can I know? How can I know how many bowls I have? We can know by counting it. We can know by counting it. Okay, shall we count? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many bowls in my hand? How many bowls? Yes, 5 bowls. Very good. So, how I know I have 5 bowls? By counting. Yes, by counting. By counting the number of bowls, I know, I understood I have 5 bowls. Yes. Okay. Shall we check once again? What is this? What is this? What is this? Look here. What is this? Yes, it's a chain, no? Yes, it has more. What is this? It has beads. What is this? It has beads. Shall we check? Okay. We studied 1, 2, 3 till 10 counting. Today we are going to study 11 to 20. 11 to 20 counting. Okay. Shall we check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many beads is this? How many beads are there? How many beads are there? Shall we check it once again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many beads? 11. How we will write 11? Number 11. Okay, 11. Number 11. So, how many beads are there? 11. Okay. So, now 11. Now check how many beads are there. Shall we check once again? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? How many beads are here? Yes, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many beads? 12. Very good. Okay. Once again we can check. Okay. We can check. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many beats? 13 beats. Okay. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now how many beats? 14. Yes. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. 15. How many beats? 15. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Very good. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, very good. 17. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17, 18. Very good. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, 20. Okay. So, here look, 20. That means the purple color and white color beads are there. These beads together, how many are there? There 20. How many beads are there? 20. Yes. So you studied. Okay. Shall we check? Here you see. See, what is this? What is this? Bolts. Shall we check how many bolts are there? How many bolts are there? Shall we check? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many bolts are there? 20. Yes, very good. We can check answer. Okay. What is this? What is this? You see this thing? What is this? Alphabets, no? You studied it, no? Alphabets. We can check it. How many alphabets are there? How many alphabets are there? 1. How many alphabet blocks are there? We can check. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many alphabets blocks are there? 15. We can check it once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, yes, 13, 14, 15. Very good. So, what I told you? What we are studying now? Counting things. By counting, what is the use of counting? We can understand how many are there. How many are there? By counting only I know. No. Otherwise, how can I know how many alphabets are there? Is it possible by without counting we can understand? No, we need to count and check the things. Then only we understood how many are there. So if we know, if we need to understand how many blocks are there, we need to count and check. So shall we check how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. By counting we understood that 15 blocks are inside the box. Understand? Yes, okay. So what we studied? Counting things. Counting things. Okay. So you understood counting things? By counting things, we can understand how many are there. Okay, you need to do one thing. Today you go and check in your home. What all the things? That means you have garden, no? All of your home have garden, no? Outside? Yes. So in that garden you see the pots. Mud pot will be there, plastic pots will be there. So you need to check how many plastic pots and how many mud pots are there. How many plastic pots and how many mud pots are there. And you need to write in the notebook. Okay? You need to write in the notebook a number of plastic pots and number of mud pots. Then you can understand by how you can understand how many mud pots and how many plastic pots are there. By I can't hear. Say. Yes, by counting it. So you need to count how many mud pots and how many plastic pots in the garden. You need to check it. Understand? Will you do that? Yes? Say yes. Yes, very good. So what we studied? Counting things. Counting things. Okay. So you see which are the numbers I wrote here. Numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What do you see here? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What you can see here? What you can see? The numbers are going back. Is it back? Backward number? No, the numbers are going forward. The numbers are forward numbers. Forward numbers. That means numbers are going after numbers are coming. No, 11 after. Yes, 11 after. Yes, 12. 12 after. 13. 13 after. Yes, 14. 14 after. 15, 15 after, 16, 16 after, 17, 17 after, 18, 18 after, 19, 19 after, 20. Very good. So the numbers are going forward. Numbers are going forward. That means 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Numbers are going forward. Okay, are you ready? Can you say with me? Shall we say louder together? Ready? Yes. Okay. Look here. Look here. Which are the numbers here? Which are the numbers here? Can you see this? Yes. Okay. You need to say with me. Okay. Are you ready? No, I can't hear. Are you ready? Yes, say. I'm ready. Yes. Yes, very good. Shall we go? Yes. 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes. Shall we say once again? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. One more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, very good. So you understand which all the numbers we studied? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, very good. Okay, so you studied the numbers. Forward numbers. Can I ask one question? Okay. Write the missing number. Write the missing number. Okay. Okay. So, yes, the numbers are missing. Isn't it? Numbers are missing. No, I can't hear. Yes. Yes. Which numbers are missing here? You just look there. Here number 12 is there. Then after that 16 only, but here a blank, big blank you see here. So some numbers are missing here. Yes, shall we look which number is missed here? Yes, how we can look? That means number 12 after. Number 12 after. Number, yes, number 13. That number 13 after. Yes, number 14. Very good. Then number 14 after. Number 15. Yes, very good. So which are the numbers missed here? Which are the numbers missed here? Which? Yes, very good. Number 13, number 14, number 15. These numbers are missed here. That means 12 after 13, 13 after 14, 14 after 15, 15 after 16. So in between 12 and 16, three numbers are missed. Which are the numbers? 13, 14, 15. Okay. So shall we look once again? Another example? Yes. Okay. Is that correct? 70. Then, oh, a big blank is there, no? Then 20. So anything missed here? Anything missed? Yes. Which number missed here? 17. Then, yes, 18. Very good. Then, 19. Very good. So which are the numbers missed here? 18 and 19. 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, very good. Okay. So you studied missing numbers. Yes. So can I give one more work for you? So you need to write the numbers from 11 to 20 in your notebook. You need to do that. Okay. Okay. So can I? One more example. Okay. Okay. Do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream? How many ice creams you needed? How many ice cream? One? Very bad. One is enough for you. Yeah. Two? No. Then how many? Okay. Shall we draw 14 ice creams? Shall we draw 14 ice creams? Yes. 14 ice creams. Draw 14 ice creams. Okay. Ice cream. Okay, shall we draw? Yes. How we can draw? Simply we are going, drawing and going. Simply we are drawing and going means we can understood 14 are there. 14 are there. No, then how we can know? We need to, yes, say. We need to count and draw. Very good. We need to count and draw. Okay. So from first number, which number we need to count? We need to count from 1. Yes. 1 ice cream. Yes. Then 2 ice cream. Then 3. Then 4. Then 5. Then 6. Then 7. 8. 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Is it 14 ice cream is there? Shall we check? How we can check? How we can check? Say louder. By counting. Okay, shall we count it? Yes. 1. Yes. 2. Yes. 3. Yes. 4. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, very good. Is it 14 ice creams are there? Are you happy? Are you happy? No, you got 14 ice creams. Yes. So how many ice creams are there? 14. Understand? 14 ice creams we draw there. So you understood? So what are the things we studied today? Counting things. Counting things and count. Why we need to count? If we count, we can get how many are there. So and we studied numbers from 11 to 20. Okay. Shall we once again say numbers from 1 to 20? Yes. Will you say with me? Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. So we can say once again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So which are the numbers we studied? Numbers 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Understand? So you need to, what work I given you? What work? What work I gave you? You remember that? I told you to go and check your garden and count how many mud pots and how many plastic pots are there. Then you need to write like this, okay? What number of mud pots, then number of what? Plastic pots. You need to count and write in your notebook. Okay, you need to count and write in your notebook how many mud pots are there and how many plastic pots are there in your notebook. So you need to do, what do you need to do? Take a new page and write block 2, numbers 11 to 20. Then you need to count and check pots in our garden and you need to write what? Number of mud pots and number of plastic pots in your notebook. Will you do that? So from today, after the class, you need to go and check your garden. Then you need to write number of mud pots and number of plastic pots. First you need to write pots in our garden. Pots in our garden. Then you want to write what? Number of mud pots and number of plastic pots. Okay? Will you do that? Yes. Okay. Okay. This work you need to do in your notebook. What? Take a new page and write block 2, numbers 11 to 20. Pots in our garden. That means number of mud pots and number of plastic pots. You need to write separately. Okay. Then today's work means you need to do the practice questions. You see, practice question, page number 11, content book. See, content book, volume 1, green color book I show you last class. Yes, content book, volume 1, practice question. That means page number 11, question number lesson 1 and lesson 2. This still here. Lesson 1 and lesson what? Lesson 2. This 2 you need to write in your notebook. Okay. Then after that you have one workbook with you, no? You have one notebook, workbook. That means see this red color book, students workbook volume 1. In that book page number 7, S1. This you need to do. Then S2. This also page number 8, S2. This also you need to do. Okay. I hope you all understand today's class. Okay. So shall we wind up the class? Yes. Yes, okay. So everyone need to practice all the things what I told you, that you need to practice from your home. Okay. Yes. Thank you.